Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to zoom in Canva. First, open your Canva project and then you can zoom in your Canva project in several ways. First, you can zoom in using this bar. Let's say you can drag down or drag up. It will zoom in your Canva project and zoom out as well. If you want to zoom in, drag it to left to right. If you want to zoom out, then drag it right to left. This is one way you can zoom in, zoom out your Canva project. And another way you can also do it, click here and you will get a lot of option. If you want to fit it, just click here, it will set as a fit. If you want to select fill, it will just fill the canvas size to your current canvas. You can also select 100%. You can also select 300%. You can also select 10%. You can also select 50%. So this is another way you can zoom in or zoom out to your Canva project. You can also click here, page. So it will show all of the pages here. And again, you can go with this drag and drag down or drag right to drag left to zoom in or zoom out to your project. And you can also click the present full screen and it will present your screen fully. Now you can slide it, just click here, it will come the next slide or next project, next page. You can click, it will open the next project. See, so all of these way you can zoom in your Canva project very easily. You can also zoom in by pressing Ctrl from your Windows computer and then scroll up or scroll down. If you press the Ctrl and scroll up, then it will zoom in. If you want to zoom out, then press Ctrl, scroll down from your mouse. So these are the way you can zoom in your Canva project easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any comment, please throw the comment below. I will check your comment and reply very soon. Thank you so much.